Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert SPaylater to Gcash. So to do this, ensure that your SPaylater feature is activated in the Shopee app. Once activated, Shopee will provide you with spending limit based on your payment history and behaviors. Now locate a Maya Center, formerly known as a Smart Badala, near your. Inquire if they accept SPaylater for cash out transaction. If they do, request their QR code for the transaction. Now just go and open your Shopee app. Open the navigation to cash out section and scan the QR code provided by the merchant. Enter the amount you wish to cash out. Confirm the escalator is available as a payment option for this transaction. Select Escalate and choose your repayment plan. Complete the payment process. After the transaction, you should receive cash equivalent to the amount you cashed out from the escalator balance. Now, availability of escalator for cash out may vary, but depending on location and individual account status, so it might not work for everyone. If there are no nearby Maya centers, consider reaching out through social media platforms where some users have found assistance in cashing out their SPaylater wallets. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.